Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine. For those of you guys who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in today's video, I am partnering with ILikeHair.com to show you guys this new I Part Wig. And y'all, it's something like I have never tried it before. First of all, look at the packaging. It's beautiful. It has a nice little drawer box. It came with all of these goodies, and this is the wig. I got a yaki texture, and the cool thing about this I Part wig is there's no maintenance needed at all. It already has clips in it. It has 5 clips on the top, and then it has 3 combs on the bottom. And I never tried a yaki texture hair before, so this was something completely new for me, but I really liked the fact that it was so natural looking and that the hair texture matched my own hair texture perfectly. So first, I'm just starting out with prepping my hair. I'm just brushing out all those knots, and I'm gonna part my hair right down the middle. You can part your hair wherever you'd like, because the cool thing about the I Part wig is that you don't need any glue and you really don't need any leave out, but personally I liked how it looked better with leave out. So you can part your hair wherever you want, and the leave out is so minimal. The whole idea behind the I Part wig is that it's gonna be similar to a U Part wig where you have your leave out on the top, but the I Part allows you to have minimal leave out so that your hair is not being damaged, and it just is more of a protective style, I would say. So you see how much hair I left out. I just made my middle part, and then I took 2 thin pieces from around that part and I just pinned those up, and that's all I'm leaving out. And like I said, there are true root closures which matches the roots of your hair in these I Part wigs. So if you really wanted to, you could literally leave no leave out. So now I'm just pinning all my hair up. I just did it the lazy way, 2 little braids and pin them up in the back with bobby pins. And now we're just gonna throw this I Part wig unit on, and I'm just aligning up the front clips with the front of my hairline so it doesn't like lay on my forehead or anything crazy like that, and just clipping those in place. It's super easy. As y'all can see, it's literally taking me no time to do this. And then after I got those front ones in place, I pulled the wig down in the back so it laid nice and flat, and clipped the remaining clips down onto my hair. And then I tucked in the bottom of my braids with those combs, and now everything is nice and flat. Now we're just taking down that leave out, and as you can see, it pretty much blends with my hair perfectly, other than the color, because my hair is dyed black and the wig does kind of have like a dark brown shade, but it still matches really well, and that's even before I put heat on it. And I just want to stand up and show you guys the length on me, and I'll have all the descriptions of the wig in the description box down below, like all the details and all that stuff, so you guys can see down there. So I am just putting a little bit of heat onto my hair because I just wanted it to blend a little better. Like I said, they have different hair textures of this I Part wig, so if you want to get a texture that's perfectly matching your natural hair, that would be perfect. You wouldn't have to put any heat to it whatsoever, but mine, I had to put a little bit of heat on it, girl. And look how it turned out, y'all. It looks so flat, and y'all couldn't tell me this is not my real hair. Like, it literally blends like a dream. So I just went ahead and started to put some curls in it, because I personally like my hair curled better than I like it straight. And it curled so pretty. Like, look at those little curls. Cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to my whole head. And y'all, I really absolutely love this I Part wig so much. I really like the fact that you don't need any glue, any wig caps. It has no lace, minimal leave out, and it's just 100% breathable cap. So The wig felt so light and weightless, and I really could see this being one of the wigs that I wear like on a daily basis, just because it's so quick and easy to put on, and it just looks like my natural hair. Like, it absolutely looks like my natural hair. Another thing I really liked about this wig is just how thick it was. Like, the density on this hair is phenomenal. I have pretty thick hair to begin with, so I have never had a unit that mimicked the thickness of my natural hair, and I really liked that this wig did have that. So it really gave it more of a natural look. Like, I keep saying natural. Y'all want to take a shot every time I say natural, go ahead and do it and you'll be drunk, because I cannot express how much this wig was giving natural hair vibes. Like, look at that. The body, the thickness, the luster of it even. That's my real hair. But yeah, you guys, this is it all styled up and cute. I think it looks perfect. Like I said, this is literally gonna be my go-to wig. Y'all need to go get y'all hands on this I Part Wig from ilikehair.com. I will put all of the info down below, along with links and all of that good stuff. It's so flat and perfect, y'all. No one would ever guess that this is a full unit. Not like clip-ins, not like micro links, tape-ins, nothing. This is a whole unit, but it looks like it's growing out of your scalp. It's giving natural for sure. I love you guys so much. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.